Soak ginger in vinegar and witness the miracle happen. If you have ginger at home, don't forget to try pickling it to make full use of its benefits and say goodbye to common everyday health problems. I learned this method from my grandmother's traditional healthcare secrets. She is nearly 98 years old this year. And this dark-colored solution has long been considered an ancient folk remedy in many Asian cultures. People believe that it provides many special benefits that not everyone knows about. This is the ginger I bought from the supermarket. It looks very clean on the outside, but in reality there is still a lot of dirt and residue hidden inside the small crevices. Therefore, I will break it into smaller pieces to make it easier to clean thoroughly. If there are any parts of the ginger that are damaged or moldy like this, I will simply cut those parts away. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Ginger peel is far from simple. It is a natural remedy that helps reduce internal heat in the body and contains many nutrients. If the ginger has just been harvested from the soil, you can add a little salt and baking soda while washing it to clean it more thoroughly. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I will steam all of this ginger. When placing it into the steamer, I will leave a little space between the pieces so the steam can circulate freely and cook them evenly. I also want to share a quick tip. It is best to consume ginger in the morning or early afternoon. Eating ginger in the morning helps activate the digestive system and boost metabolism throughout the day. However, in the evening, you should be more careful. Eating ginger at night may cause excessive stimulation, increase body temperature, and make it harder for you to sleep deeply. When the water boils, I usually reduce the heat to medium-low and steam the ginger for about 10 to 15 minutes. There is something truly comforting about the aroma of freshly steamed ginger. It is one of my favorite scents in the world. When steamed at a high temperature, some of the spicy compounds evaporate with the steam, making the flavor milder and reducing the pungency. Even people who do not like ginger will find it easier to eat. What is even better is that steaming does not destroy the nutrients in the ginger. At this stage, the skin will become slightly glossy and soft to the touch. Wait for the ginger to cool down. Ginger is rich in volatile oils, gingerol, amino acids, and many other nutrients. These oils help stimulate blood circulation and quickly warm the body. When the weather changes, just a few slices of steamed ginger can drive away the feeling of coldness. To achieve the best results, try to cut the slices evenly. Even slicing is the secret to creating a balanced flavor. Otherwise, thin slices will become too sour, while thick slices will remain spicy and undercooked in the middle. These pieces of ginger have just been steamed, so they are still quite moist. If we pickle them immediately, the excess moisture may affect the final quality. I will put the ginger into the oven. The aroma of the ginger is wonderful. The excess moisture is slowly evaporating, and that warm fragrance instantly reminds me of the ginger chicken my grandmother used to cook. Just smelling it makes me crave that dish again. Next, I prepare a clean glass jar, making sure it is completely free of water and oil. After that, I begin placing the dried ginger slices into the jar. I add 2 spoonfuls of rock sugar to soften the sharp sourness of the vinegar. If you like, honey is also perfectly suitable at this step. For this jar of ginger, I will use balsamic vinegar for pickling. It has a very pleasant aroma from fermented grapes, which will give the ginger a wonderful flavor. With this remaining ginger, I have another recipe I want to share, one that is very good for your health. And when combined with the natural benefits of ginger, it becomes a powerful remedy for your overall health. The longer the ginger is soaked in honey, the more beneficial it becomes. Over time, the nutrients from both will blend completely together. This is quite similar to the way people ferment garlic and honey for about a month. It is extremely effective. And this final method is truly the easiest. You do not even need to steam or dry the ginger. To help you better understand why this method is so effective, let me share a perspective from a doctor. What if I told you that one of the biggest threats to your cardiovascular system and circulation is something happening silently inside your blood vessels every day? Inflammation builds up, and blood flow becomes less efficient. That is exactly why today I want to introduce a very simple preparation using fresh ginger and apple cider vinegar. It helps support healthy circulation, supports the delicate lining of the blood vessels, and improves the internal environment of your cardiovascular system. For this jar of fresh ginger, I add a little rock sugar, but you can completely leave out the sugar. Unfortunately, I have run out of apple cider vinegar. I will use rice vinegar instead for this recipe. Apple cider vinegar really tastes better, but it is quite expensive and hard to find where I live. And that's it! Now you have 3 jars of ginger ready to use whenever you need them. Very convenient. With this jar of ginger soaked in honey, I usually just take 1 slice and eat it directly. Because it has been soaked in honey, the strong spiciness of the ginger has completely mellowed, making it very easy to eat like a snack. Whenever I crave it, I honestly just grab a piece with my hand and chew it like a snack. I also like adding a few slices along with a little syrup into a small teapot. I just need to add boiling water to let everything blend together and allow all the nutrients to infuse into the tea. It tastes wonderful and feels very soothing for the throat. This is almost my daily choice for supporting the immune system and staying healthy during flu and cold season. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below to let me know your thoughts.